Russia started Wednesday to display dozens of defense equipment made by NATO countries that were confiscated from the Ukrainian battlefield in front of the Victory Museum located on Poklonnaya Hill in Moscow. A total of 32 armored vehicles will be displayed in this exhibition held by the Ministry of Defense, as well as various other military equipment. This exhibition displays various examples of confiscated military equipment captured by Russian soldiers in special military operations zones. In total, there are 32 items of defense equipment made by NATO countries that have been destroyed, and some are still intact in the Russian Central Armed Forces Museum. Meanwhile, Russian President Vladimir Putin's spokesman, Dmitry Peskov, praised the exhibition in Moscow as a brilliant idea. The equipment exhibition will attract great interest from Muscovites. Guests of our city and the entire population of the country, said Kremlin spokesman Dmitry Peskov. Meanwhile, Russian Foreign Ministry spokeswoman Maria Zakharova stressed that foreign diplomats based in Moscow should take the opportunity to visit the exhibition to see how the West is destroying peace on the planet. This exhibition will be of interest to everyone who still believes in the myth of Western values or is unaware of the aggression launched by NATO against Russia. The row of armored vehicles on display includes the German Leopard 2 tank USM-1 Abrams tank, the Bradley fighting vehicle M113 and Max Pro. There is also the BMC Kirpi made in Turkey, the Mastiff made in England, and the Marder vehicle made in Germany, and the French AMX-10 RC. The exhibition also features firearms, documents maps, equipment, and drones.
По идее, это могли делать. Великобритания, а или